I just wanted to share with you the tool we're using to upload video to Canvas or just allow the students to record videos to engage and communicate. So I use Flipgrid. This is the tool that some of us in the department have been using. You can go to flipgrid.com to access it, and there you can create an account, and it's completely free. So if you click here, you create your account, you connect it to your school email, and that will be it basically. I already have an account, so that's why I see this. I have grids, and grids are the classes basically. So I have my SLU classes here, and these are exchange programs. I'm connected to schools abroad, so these are not my classes, but just that exchange program. So you add a new grid to create your class. You can do that. And if you click here, you add topics to start conversations with your students. So I'll show you one. Here you can create a video of yourself talking so they can see your beautiful face. Or you can do something like this, an image. And then you give them the instructions and the students reply to that prompt. You can do it on Flipgrid website, or you can actually go to Canvas and connect it to Canvas. And the video on how connected to Canvas, it's on the email that I sent. Another person explains there how you can actually connect it to Canvas, but I'll show you what I have on Canvas. So I go to assignments on Canvas and I create my assignment. And when creating the assignment, you click on external tool. So I'll show you real quick how to do that. I'm just going to create one for you so you can see it. And you create the name of your assignment, blah, 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 video. And when you are on submission type, this is where you click external tool. And here you have to find Flipgrid, okay? And you select it and you save it, right? You have to add a due date. I'm just gonna add today, just to have something. Oops, something went wrong. Okay, here we go. So this is the assignment I created, and as you can see, since Flipgrid is already embedded in Canvas, it just shows it right away. And here's when you add your topic, whatever question you're posing to your students, and it gives you a bunch of information so you can create it. I'll show you one that I have already created so you can see how it looks and what your students will do. So I'm going to go back so I can show you how it looks. So I'm on assignments on Canvas. This is conversation number 2 that I created for my students. I added that image there, or GIF, I guess. And here are the instructions. So the students go to Canvas, they see the assignment, they see the instructions. They will see like a plus button here that will say record your video, and that's how they complete the assignment. So they will record their video, and they will be also able to see other peers, the videos of their classmates. So that's what interesting and fun about this app, that it keeps everybody connected. So I'm just going to show you one video as an example. This is a student presenting, basically answering a question that I posed. So you can watch his video, and then here's where students click to reply to each other. So they will have to watch somebody else's video and then click on reply. So here we have Alex, who was replying to Anthony after watching his video. And that's how you can see it. So when grading this for completion or accuracy or whatever you want to do, you can go to SpeedGrader. And here you are going to see their submission. So here, Anthony, you click here, you're going to see his first submission, which is when he was answering to the question I posed. And then here you're going to see his second submission, which is basically the reply to his classmate.